Hello everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make the best grilled cheese sandwich on the internet. We're going to talk about ingredients, techniques, and all the best ways to make the best out of the ingredients that you have at hand, okay? It's going to be very easy for you to replicate at home. Before we get into it, let's talk about the ingredients that we're going to be using, especially this cheese, which is going to be the main ingredient for this dish. We have here an aged cheddar, right? It's going to give great depth of flavor and it's going to help with the mouthfeel of the sandwich, all right? We have a Gruyere cheese. This is going to be your game changing right here. It's gonna give you that stretch, it's gonna give you the flavor. It's the same cheese that you use to put in French onion soup to brown on the top. Now this is the ingredient that gets overlooked the most. This is the bread. We're gonna be using a very nice sourdough bread today, right? It's gonna give us that crispiness, that crunchiness, shattering in your mouth. We also have a little bit of butter to toast the bread in, of course.
All right, let's get down to business. Let's start cutting our bread. We wanna get 2 thick slices, we don't want them too thin. Otherwise the cheese is gonna melt and it's gonna go through the holes. When you're shredding the cheese, we're gonna use the finer setting. That way the cheese melts quicker and it's gonna be a little bit more creamy. We're gonna do this until we have about 1.5 cups of shredded cheese. Let's give it a good mix and we're ready for the next step. In the cold pan, we're gonna throw a couple tablespoons of butter. We're gonna let it melt until it's hot and bubbling. We don't wanna take it too far or else it's gonna start burning. Take 1 slice of bread and throw it in the pan. We're gonna press it down to make sure it's making full contact with the pan. This is going to guarantee even browning on both sides of the bread. Once it's golden brown like this, we're gonna take it out to the side and reserve for later. This is how we take the grilled cheese to the next level. We're gonna get a clove of garlic and we're gonna paint the bread to infuse the aromas and the oils of the garlic into the toast. This is by no means gonna make it garlicky, it's just gonna make it a little bit more extra. You can skip this step if you want. I really highly recommend it because it's so freaking good. Once you have 1 side of each slice toasted, we're gonna add some butter to the pan and let it melt. Now we're gonna load the bread with as much cheese as you want. I mean, you want a whole mountain of it on it. Don't worry if a little bit of it falls to the side of the pan, it's just gonna toast and make it super crispy. We're gonna top the sandwich and we're just gonna let it go low and slow to make sure the cheese melts. Once the bread is done toasting and you see the cheese oozing over the side, that's when we wanna take it out of the heat. Remember that the carryover heat is gonna keep melting the cheese as it rests.
So here we have it, everybody, the best grilled cheese sandwich on the internet. Best important thing after you're done cooking it is that you let it rest so that the cheese relaxes and it gets that stringy cheese pull that we all wanna see, all right? Just for reference, this is how crispy it is. It's earth-shatteringly crispy, all right? Oh, now let's give it a test. How about this? Oh God. Oh Lord. This is next level. You get that little hint of the garlic coming through. Oh, it's a game changer. Oh. Somebody can get this or else I'm gonna eat the whole thing. Oh. So there you go, guys. Best grilled cheese on the internet. No doubt. Leave in the comments what you want me to cook next, okay? Oh, so good.